So hello boys and girls, this is the mansion that I'm currently living in. Only in the name we have mansion, but inside the room you would already see how it is. So yeah, this is the outer area. So I'm gonna exit right now. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys what's there in the street of Hong Kong, and nothing specific, right? I just want to keep it very open, and I'll try to make sure what's there in the title, like after we explore, so that you guys get a full view of Hong Kong and the streets that I'm gonna explore. So stay tuned. If you're new to the place, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up, guys. And I'll quickly show you guys around right after this. So hey guys, this is the room like I showed you guys yesterday. So mine is on the third floor. There are 24 floors or more than that. So every floor they have something like this. So some food, some sort of tailoring stuff, like everything. That's a food stall. You have your currency exchange here. This is the normal stores that you find in almost all the mansions, like left side and right side, and everything is a rip-off, guys, especially these bags that you see here. Don't plan to buy anything from here. It's going to be very expensive. And that's my vlogger friend. And you go, so as soon as you get out of the hotel, so this is the place, mansion that I'm saying, Mirador Mansion. So as soon as you kind of get out of this spot, you see everything literally, like Rolex, like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Rado. So this is the reality of this place, guys. So yeah. So guys, as soon as you kind of get down and walk, so that's a Rolex, and everywhere you see these metro stations here. So it's very easy for you to kind of go and get a tram or a metro train. This and right. So everywhere there's marking left and right. So yeah. As soon as you come, you can see the maps here. So guys, I just got my octopus card. So it's as simple as you just kind of tap in and then just get out of the the area, and you can see a lot of ads here. So guys, inside the metro you have a lot of stuff like this. So you have 7-Eleven, you have all the kind of convenience stores here. So yeah, I actually got inside using my octopus card. Now I'm gonna kind of take you guys to wherever I'm going or headed to right now. So we're going towards the station. Oh, okay. So this is the place for getting the red line. Guys, whenever you use escalator, make sure you stand on the right hand and not left hand. So left is basically for people who are in hurry to go to the metro, and right is where you just chill and go. Kind of reminds me of Dubai. So guys, this is the queue to the metro. So we are currently heading to Causeway Bay. This is I think one of the most busiest metros. It's crazy, guys. So you just walk until you find the exit and use your octopus card. So guys, this is my octopus card and I'm just gonna tap in to exit. I'll just quickly show you guys. So octopus, I just tapped in and there you go. So we'll have to exit from here. So once I exit, I'll show you guys around. So guys, we just exited from Causeway Bay station. So this is how it currently looks here. The scenic is beautiful, guys. Just look at the buses. So that's like another huge building where people stay. So we just plan to just walk around and see what the whole place is all about and kind of show you guys the street. This is just amazing. Like they also have a tram in between here. So as you can see, that's a tram. So it's pretty cool, guys. Guys, we have Saint Laurent, Chanel. It's like a heaven for all those shoppers, guys. Like seriously, just see over that side. Just super cool. I feel like I'm so lost in the street, but at the same time, there's a lot happening. So guys, this mall has some lot of fancy cool places like Prada, Chanel, Dior.
First time I'm seeing like in local like
Malls,
shops is
they
also
have
there
all this.
and
Yeah.
big brands are on same.
There's no discrimination here, guys. So
No
you you have everything literally here. Oh, look at this tree.
Oh,
Guys, this place is super cool. We have Prada there, Moncler, a lot of stuff that's going on here. And you get so confused thinking which alley you should kind of take because every alley it has its own kind of things here. Burberry, and there's no discrimination. You find all the local brands and also the like the high-end top fashion brands on the same mall or at the same location. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, man, this is so cool. It's so awesome. And you find money exchange everywhere, so you don't find it difficult to get one of those. So guys, it's super convenient here if you want to get money exchange. Oh, there you go, Yadom. So this is something which you find in Thailand. So guys, I'm planning to kind of wrap this video right here because it's gonna get a little bit longer than expected. So I'm just gonna make like it as a two-part video for Causeway Bay. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. So stay tuned for the next part. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up, guys. I'd really appreciate it.